To Ronix. This is Ved Verma from Ronix Tech Services, and today we are going to discuss about our latest UI of our CabView Pro. CabView Pro is a taxi booking application similar to Ola and Uber. So, if you want to start your own application like Ola or Uber, then the CabView Pro application will be the best choice for you. We have updated some of the UI and the UX pages in the application that will look great in the application. Okay, so let's discuss about the UI, latest updated UI that we have done. Okay, so here is our source code that we have updated, and let me open our application. So this is our device that we are going to test here. Okay, now this is our application. In the application, we have added unlimited languages that you can choose any of them. If you want to add more languages, then you can connect with our team and they will help you to add more languages here. After language page, we have added some intro images. You can see the intro images like this. After completing all the intro images, you need to go with the login page. And here you can see we have updated the login page as well. After login, you will see some amazing UI UX for the user side as well. Okay, so I'm going to log in with my mobile number and default OTP. I'm going to use my default OTP 123456 and now going to verify. Continue and allow the location permissions. Here you can see the updated UI and UX of the application. We have clearly mentioned the map and increase the size of the map and all the icons as per your demand. Here we have already mentioned all the three vehicle type: rental, daily or just ride. Also we have added a gift type for WhatsApp chat. And at the menu part, navbar part, we have added some amazing UI. Here you can see the animated navbar that you will never find in any other application apart from CabView Pro. The best feature that look amazing in the cab application. After that, we have added some other features as well. Suppose you want to go somewhere and you choose your destination, and after choosing your destination, you can choose the vehicle like this. It's completely similar to Ola or Uber. Here you can see all the things are clearly mentioned. If you want to see how much time driver will take to reach out at you, so for that you need to open your driver application, or when a driver is nearby you, then you will be able to see time as well. Here you can see now 2 minutes away. The driver is 2 minutes away from my current location. So if I book a right now, then driver will take 2 minutes to reach out at me. Okay, so I'm going to click on right now. And immediately I will get a notification with loud alarm notification like this. Now I'm going to accept this ride, and immediately driver and user both will get a notification. Click on arrived, and now I'm going to click on start. Before starting, I need to take an OTP. That OTP need to take from the user application, and here is the OTP 4616. I'm going to enter the OTP 4616. Now going to confirm. Now I'm going to end the trip. Here is the fare breakup about the complete fare destination and all other taxes that you can control from the admin panel. I'm going to confirm, and you can give a rate and review to the driver, and same thing you can do from the user application. Return back to user application, and you can also check the fare and can confirm the fare. After that, you can give ratings to the driver like this. Here you can see one vehicle is there. If other vehicles and other drivers are also available in the area, then all vehicles will look like this. Okay. So if you want to start your own Ola and Uber similar application for your taxi business, then our Capture Pro will be the best solution for you. Here you can see the updated UI, UX that you will never find in other applications. So what are you waiting for? Contact us, details showing on your screen, and we will see you in next video. Thank you.